If I showed you the latest, newest, hottest tool in town that traders are using to rake in dollars almost every day from the market, would that impress you? Would you love to hear about it? Would you love to see how it works? This video is practically about how the DP tool works. I want to show you this tool, its functionality, how you can use it to rake in $50 every day, sometimes $100 every day, depending on how well you understudy it and how well you use it following the instructions that I'm going to give to you. All right. So pay very good attention. This is a tool that you don't want to miss out on practically. So what this is how the DP2 actually works. Let me quickly show you. Let me take you to the DP2 itself. All right. So this is the DP2. Okay. Now this tool has the potential to help you make $100 every single day, and I'm not joking about that. I am not joking about that. So listen carefully. How do we use this tool? It's very simple. All what you see here are the parameters. Okay, for example, this is entry level. This is TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, and TP5. So practically what it will do for you is it will give you a signal to enter on any time frame you're using. For example, let's say you're using 5 minutes time frame, which we are currently on. It gives you a signal to enter a trade. As soon as it gives you that signal, all you just need to do is to check for your confirmation, and that's what I'm going to give out to those who will get this tool. I'll give you the confirmation that we require. And then once we get that confirmation, having gotten the signal from this tool, boom, we go into the trade without looking backwards. Without looking backwards. Without looking backwards. Okay. So for example, let's look at a typical example here. This is 5 minutes time frame. Okay. And this tool, before I forget, this tool works on both PC, your personal computer, your laptop, or your Android phone, or your iPhone, or whatever phone you're using. As long as it's a smartphone, this tool works on it, can work on it, will work on it. You can install it on any kind of phone that is smart. But you must have a TradingView account, okay? This is a must. You must have a TradingView account. That said, let's progress. Okay, so we got an entry signal here. Let me zoom in. Okay, we got an entry signal right here. This was where the entry signal came in, and it says to sell volatility 10 index. We are selling volatility 10 index. As soon as we got that notification, we enter the trade, and then before you say jack, we hit TP1. Let me show you. Let me just shift a bit. All right, you can see this, right? So we've hit already. We've hit TP1, we've hit TP2, we've hit TP3, we've hit TP4. We are remaining. What's left is TP5. And guys, it works like magic. Let me show you the chart. Let me show you the chart. Look at it, guys. This is it. As soon as that tool gave us the entry, this was right where we entered, loaded the position. Now, for those of you who like to flip account, this tool can help you easily flip your account. For those of you who like to swing trade, this tool can help you hold trade for as long as 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 1 week, and you'll be in massive profit. For those who just day trade like myself, this tool can help you make profit each day that you come into the market, as long as you follow the instructions I'll be giving out in my community for those that will be getting this tool. Okay, those who want to buy this tool, want to use this tool. All right, I'll be giving out specific instructions on how to maximize this tool. Okay, so let's get back to, so that's how it works practically. Okay, let's look at another asset. Okay, we're looking at volatility 25 before. Let's check what it's doing. All right, so we are going to be, we're expecting a buy signal from this asset. We're expecting a buy signal from this asset. Currently, it's giving a sell signal, but we are not entering the sell signal. That's why I told you about confirmation. I'm going to give you confirmation and show you how to use this tool very well with clear confirmation. Why am I not selling right now? Is because of the confirmation. The confirmation, the signal we're already getting is a buy signal, and the confirmation is going to make us buy, not sell, even when the tool is giving us a sell signal. That is very important. So you don't just jump into the tool, get hold of the tool, and then just start using it blindly. You must follow the instructions. All right, it's like giving a child a very sharp knife. Though that sharp knife can cut almost anything, but it can equally injure and destroy that child's life if the child doesn't handle it properly. Okay, so this tool can equally mess you up if you don't handle it properly. That's why I'm very keen about giving out the instructions on how it works. All right, so let's look at another asset. Let's look at V75. All right, look at this. See where we got the entry from, the signal from. All right, I was right there on this trade. We got our entry from here. In fact, I actually entered from here. Okay, I entered from there, and then it just continued. And this trade took less than 2 hours before it hit all TP up to TP5. All right, let's look at another asset. Have we looked at V10? Okay, that's where we were. That's where we currently are, V10. Okay, let's look at gold. For those of you who like trading gold, oh boy, this tool can help you crush that market. I'm not a fan of gold. Maybe I might get into it sooner or later, but for now, I don't trade gold. But for those of you who like to trade gold, this is your go-to tool. Where is that? I'm looking for a particular broker. Let me just type gold and see. Okay, the broker I'm looking for, I didn't find it, but not nonetheless. Let's progress. Let it load up and let's see what we got. Now you can use this tool for any asset, please. Any asset at all. This tool works on just any asset. You don't need to box yourself or limit yourself. It works just on any asset. I don't know why that guy is delaying. Let's look at G. All right, let's look at GBP USD. Okay, so on GBP USD, we have a buy signal already. We have a buy signal already on GBP USD. We have a buy signal, and then we're going to see. Okay, so on M15, we have a buy signal, and then on M5 as well, we have in fact, M5 has actually hit TP1. It just came back for a retest. It just came back. So once this price closes bullish above, look at it, above that there, I'm going to be buying. Or you can buy. Okay, I don't really trade this. I don't trade this for now, but once it closes bullish above it, that's your confirmation to buy. Then you go ahead and you buy. All right, and that is just how this tool works. There's nothing much to it. All you need to do, once you get the tool, it will be installed for you. You don't need to bother yourself about how to go about installation. In case you're not a techie person, you don't even if you're a techie person, you don't need to waste your time about that. It will be installed for you. All you need is to have your TradingView username. You send that to me on WhatsApp. I'll leave my number in the description of this video. Send that to me on WhatsApp, and then we'll take it up from there. We'll take it up from there. Take it up from there. This tool, I'm currently giving out this tool to my community at 25,000 naira. I did that on my WhatsApp, on Facebook, and all other channels. For the first 15 people, I'm giving out the same offer to my YouTube community. The first 15 persons that will subscribe and buy this tool, you are getting it at 25,000. After that, it will be sold for 30,000 naira. Okay, equivalent of about $20, $15 to $20 thereabout. So mind you, now look at this. We are not going to buy yet because it has not closed bullish above the cloud. Are you seeing this, guys? It has not closed bullish above the cloud. So once it does that, that's our entry confirmation. Once it does that, that's our entry confirmation. Okay, V10, we are still in the sell trade for the V10. We're expecting to get to TP5. Still in the sell trade. Let's see how it goes. Let's look at V101X. All right, V101S, it will be time to buy V101S again as soon as it closes above the cloud. Are you seeing this, guys? Look at this. That candle couldn't close above the cloud, so I expect that this candle should close above the cloud somewhere here. If it does that, then I'll buy again. If it doesn't do that, I'll wait till I get that confirmation. As simple as that. There's no rocket science using this tool. It's not a rocket science, not at all, not at all. We should be buying this guy now. Oh, okay, I'm already buying. I told you guys. I told you. Yes, this is it. I told you guys. Let me check my chart. Thank God this is a live trade so that you just get to see. Yep, this is it. I told you guys I'll be buying. Let me just buy some more. Oh, not enough money. How much do I have here? $6. Okay. Let's just make do it what we have. I already have one, two, three, four positions. That's okay. Let's see how it plays out eventually. But that's practically how we use this tool. Now, once this, if you let me just show you something. Now, this sell signal that we have here, this entry and stop loss, the red line is stop loss, the blue line is the entry. Now, this signal is going to turn to a buy signal pretty soon if this candle closes bullish. Expect that. I hope it happens while we are watching, while I'm still making this video. I just hope it happens. Why? Otherwise, just know that that's how it works practically. Okay, just know that is how it works practically. Our V10 is retracing, hoping that it will fall down to TP5 pretty soon. But in a nutshell, that is how this tool works. You just select your time frame. You can trade on any time frame. You can trade on 15 minutes. You can do your trading on 30 minutes. You can do it on 5 minutes. You can do it on 1 hour. You can do it on daily if you're a swing trader. You can do it on 4 hour. Whatever time frame you're using, just follow the signals and the confirmation. Not follow the signals alone. Follow the signals and the confirmation, and then you'll be in the money. Every day you can boast of bargain $20, $50, $100, depending on how well you use the tool and follow the instruction. All right. So I'll drop details on my WhatsApp. You can hit me up, and then let's get started from there. Ciao for now. Bye.